So if I'm trading here, I am starting to reduce size coming up into here. I hit this, I'm in high volume territory at this point. I want to increase my size back up and go into a high volatility trade. I'd also be knowing at this point that this trade had taken multiple losses. And I have a high volatility, and this is why I track trades, by the way. You know, I don't trade a bull trade every month. I don't trade a bearish butterfly every month, or an X4 version 22 every month, or a 17 every month, but I know every month how that strategy performed. And I know, for example, my high volatility strategy got murdered here, but I wasn't trading it. I was trading bullish strategies. I also know that once the market dropped out, I'm in my high volatility strategies, and we do fantastic in those, but I'm not in the strategies that do well here, because I know the strategies that do well here, and they might do okay, but they're probably going to lose in this environment. All right, so I want to get into high volatility strategies, probably increase my size back up.